Tonight, guys, I'm going out for the night, so I'm going to glammy up. Am I gonna do a glam? We will see, we will see. So I've got a little trick that I've been using, which I want to share with you guys. So if you want to get this look here, guys, keep on watching. Mwah. Okay, my queens, please excuse any noise that you can hear, okay? My kids and my hubby are also getting ready, so you will probably hear a little bit of noise. I'm just applying some SUPERGOOP moisturizer with SPF in it. I haven't done any serums or any of that tonight because I'm wearing something very secretive, guys. I'm going to show you what it is. Hold on. It is this band here. It's called the Secret Lift Pro, and it is an eye lifting, well, facelift kind of band, and it's the first time I've ever used these, guys, and it feels pretty good. That's the patch there, the sticky part. I actually bought the wrong color. I bought the blonde one, thinking, you know, it doesn't go too, you know, I'm going to be wearing my hair down. If you buy these things, guys, you need to wear your hair down. It's given me a bit of a lift. I did want the lift more here, so maybe I can do that next time. It's my first time trying this, and they do feel actually quite comfortable. I mean, you can't see the clear adhesive part. Yeah, guys, so that's what I'm wearing today. I mean, it's given me a bit of a lift, but kind of I wanted it more here, you know, like I was saying in my videos before, but I think it's kind of done something, you know. But this is it here, the Secret Lift Pro, guys. Yeah, really good product. Not uncomfortable, nothing like that. It's not too tight where you feel droop or something like that, and it doesn't feel like it's going to wreck your skin. These are the bands here, and they're very stretchy. Now this goes here, and then you put it over your head, okay? Kind of like a halo extension, that kind of a vibe, and then you just kind of put it into place. And I'm very glad because the plastic part here, the clear part, is very invisible. Like, I can't even see it on my face, eh? It's actually pretty cool. Maybe the next time, this is my first time using it, I would put it here a bit lower. It's made a small change, nothing major. Hubby didn't notice. Oh well. Let's see how the makeup goes on top, to hide that clear plastic adhesive. And I will do a separate video too, guys, just kind of showing you guys how I use it. And yeah, I've got a short which you can watch as well of me putting this on. Alright, so I have actually been enjoying, guys, putting on a bit of a primer, eh? I used to do it all the time, haven't done it much lately, but I'm going to use the Tarte Timeless Smoothing Primer. I like this one. I think it's a really good one to cover those pores and that up. Not too much, on the fingers, just like that, and just really get into those pores. This stuff is really nice. It's really blurring. So I don't know if I should underpaint. No underpainting today, Janine. Let's go into this YSL one that I used in my last video. I quite like this one. It's the All Hours Foundation Luminous Matte one. I found the wear time on this is really nice. Just do 3 pumps on the hand. I wonder how it will cover those bands up. Huh. Yeah, I can definitely feel those bands like when I push on my skin, but they seem to be covered pretty well. Huh. Is my light a bit bright? I've got a mirror here and it's got light in it. Turn it down a bit. It's the Ilios mirror too, guys. It's amazing. Yeah, that's better. That's good. That's covered those bands nicely. Let me bring you closer. Yeah, so that's covered those bands really nicely. That's where it is there. Okay, Dominique concealer, which I absolutely love. Let's brush on these under eyes. Wow, I look truly flawless in my mirror. What a great job that pore stuff has done. I'm absolutely smooth and blurred under the eyes. I love it. Okay, powder time, guys. I'm going to go for my beautiful Givenchy powder. I have got this amazing pressed powder version here. It is stunning. It's just, whew. I have the actual normal loose powder one here as well. I love that as well, but I just love the convenience of having a pressed powder version, compact. Just smooth your brush into this and just apply it under the eyes. I love this powder. So beautiful. Wow, that looks great. Okay, my queens, for my eyes, I've decided to go back to one of my most favorite and loved palettes, and that's my Charlotte Tilbury one. It's Desert Haze. It's so beautiful. This is it here. Beautiful. Oh, it's just stunning. You might think it's not much in the pan. Wait till I put it on. It's my favorite Charlotte Tilbury palette. I truly love this palette. I have not used it for ages. Just going to use this beautiful Morphe brush. I love Morphe brushes. Let's get in there with this transition one, eh? It's an all matte palette, which I love. We're going to go for this one here as a transition. It's a beautiful burnt coppery kind of, oh, it's just gorgeous. The whole palette is. This palette. I actually don't think she makes this one anymore, guys. Desert Haze. I'm sorry. Stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. I love this palette. Oh, you just can't beat this palette, eh? Clean up over here with your sponge if you're going out a bit too much like me. I'm gonna go in with this one here, this darker one. Whoa. That is so beautiful, honestly. Pat that all over the lid, guys. Whoa. Check that. Go back into that other brush where we had that transition on and just kind of blend those two colours together. Oh my gosh, my eyelashes are bloody, I don't know why. I don't think I even touched them. No product on here either. You just want to blend it, make sure it's seamless. Small brush, my peeps, very small. And we're going this, I think this is too small actually. But I'm going to use it because small is good. Oh, gorgeous colour, so dark. So just put this darkest one on the outer and really smoke it out. Flick it up, my peeps, flick it up. Alright, we've defined the outer very much. Use that same transition brush. We are going to just kind of meld everything together, right? Very dark look. We need to clean the outer up. Just get a sponge here. And I'm just going to wipe this one off and kind of blend. Just wipe it off and blend everything nicely up top. So it all looks nice and straight. Wipe off the extra product. I want everything to be nice and blended so it looks really good. Alright, let's do the bottom lash line. I'm going to use that same small brush and I'm actually going to go in with the darkest one here. You can go in with this colour here. Okay guys, that's it. That's all I'm going to do for those eyes. They look so sexy, so great. I'm going to go away and put my bronzer on and my eyebrows and I'll come back. Okay my peeps, I am pretty much finished. Gotta go. My lip is going to be this NYX lipstick in Kelly. I love this one, it's really nice. Nice and neutral. You don't want anything taking the eyes over, right? Everything should be coming together now. I've got to spray my face. Spray my face Let's get some Rare Beauty up on here and just mist the face really fast. I've done blush, Galactic. Those eyes look gorgeous, don't they? Look amazing. And I did the Terracotta Guerlain bronzer. And then I put on top of my face a bit of this Armani Beauty Luminous Silk Powder. Sorry for the noise. Let's spray. I'm loving it. That's me, guys. What do you think? I am very happy with this look. I think I look amazing. This is my favorite, the Charlotte Tilbury Desert Haze color, man. You cannot beat this gorgeous matte one. So that's the look there. How do I look, guys? Really nice. I'll catch you guys later on the next one. Mwah.